Welcome to Miss Huong English class.
Grade 5 Global Success. Unit 9. Our outdoor activities. Lesson 3. Activities in Hyde Park. Last Saturday, my classmates and I went to Hyde Park, a big park in London. We had a lot of fun there. In the morning, we jogged around the lake. We had a party at noon. Toby played the guitar, Frank sang, and our classmates danced. In the afternoon, we looked at flowers in the rose garden. Then Julia played badminton with Laura, and David and the boys learned how to ride horses at Hyde Park stables. In the evening, we had a party in a small restaurant near the park. We had such a wonderful day. Keep practicing this dialogue at home. Thank you for listening. See you next time.